Last year, Huawei stunned the world with its Mate XT tri-fold device. Huawei to launch its triple-foldable Mate XT smartphone on September 4th in China. The upcoming Huawei Mate XT's extraordinary master is the brand's second triple-folding model. The company gave a glimpse of the first look at the upcoming tri-fold. The Mate XTs will continue the signature three-fold design of the Mate XT, but with refinements that make it slimmer and visually more refined. Will arrive in two new color options, white and crimson purple. The Mate XTs will be powered by the Kirin 9020 chipset, combining a 2.5 GHz large core, three 2.15 GHz medium cores, and four 1.6 GHz small cores, alongside the Malone 920 GPU. Storage options range from 16 GB plus 256 GB, 16 GB plus 512 GB, to a massive 16 GB plus 1 TB. Single screen, 6.4 inches. Dual screen, 7.9 inches. Triple screen, 10.2 inches. The Mate XTs will feature a 50-megapixel main camera with a variable aperture. The Mate XTs is rumored to cost the same as its predecessor in China, 20,000 Chinese yuan, about $2,800. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. The Mate XT2 will allegedly have the exact same screen as the original.